This is an urgent message from the Planetary Emergency Alert System. Our planet faces an unprecedented threat. A collision with a celestial body of Mars-like proportions. Brace yourselves for the cataclysmic impact. Scenario overview. Incoming object. A colossal planet, akin in size to Mars, hurtles through space on a collision course with Earth. Its trajectory is unyielding, and our planet's fate hangs in the balance. Impact zone. The collision point is projected to be in the vicinity of the Pacific Ocean. Coastal regions and islands are at immediate risk. Immediate actions. Evacuate coastal areas. If you reside near coastlines, seek higher ground immediately. Head inland to escape the impending tsunami triggered by the impact. Secure essential supplies. Stock up on food, water, and medical supplies. Prepare for potential disruptions to infrastructure. Emergency shelters. Seek refuge in designated emergency shelters. Follow instructions from local authorities. Atmospheric effects. The collision will release an immense amount of energy. Expect atmospheric disturbances, including widespread fires. The impact will ignite wildfires across affected regions. Dust and debris. A thick cloud of dust and debris will envelop the atmosphere. Long-term consequences. Climate shifts. The collision will alter Earth's climate patterns. Tectonic activity. Seismic waves may trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Moon formation redux. This event mirrors the ancient collision that birthed our moon. The debris from the impact will coalesce, potentially forming a new celestial companion. Stay informed. Tune into emergency broadcasts via radio or satellite communication. Follow updates from local authorities and the Planetary Emergency Management Agency, PEMA. Remember, humanity has faced cosmic challenges before. Together, we can adapt, survive, and perhaps even thrive in this new reality.
you're reading this, it means I have defied the cosmic odds and survived the cataclysmic collision of our beloved planet. As the last escapee, I penned down my thoughts, memories, and hopes, hoping that someday, someone will find this missive drifting through the vast expanse of space. The day the skies turned crimson and the ground trembled like a wounded beast, I fled. My spacecraft, a fragile cocoon of metal and dreams, hurtled away from the chaos. I watched Earth shrink in the rearview, a blue-green jewel fading into the cosmic abyss. The memories of home clung to me like stardust, laughter, sunsets, whispered secrets beneath moonlit skies. Survival was a dance with entropy. I rationed my oxygen, sipped recycled water, and counted the days. The stars became my companions, each one a distant sun with its own stories. I wondered if they too harbored life, civilizations that had faced their own apocalypses. Did they write letters like this, hoping against infinity that someone would listen? Loneliness gnawed at my sanity. I sang to the constellations, recited poetry to their void. I traced the lines of my lover's face on the cold metal walls, pretending she was there beside me. The universe, indifferent and vast, whispered secrets in ancient tongues. I listened, hoping for answers, but the silence was my only companion. The collision had changed everything. The laws of physics bent like reeds in a cosmic storm. Time flowed differently, and I aged in fits and starts. Millennia passed, or perhaps mere seconds, I lost track. My ship became a relic, its hull etched with the scars of interstellar dust. I wondered if Earth still existed, a memory in the cosmic archives. And then, a glimmer of hope. A faint signal, a blip on my antiquated console. Another survivor. Or perhaps an alien race extending a hand across the galactic divide. I adjusted my course, my heart racing. The coordinates led me to a binary star system, where a celestial dance unfolded, a waltz of light and shadow. And there it was, a vessel like mine. Its hull bore the same scars, its windows reflecting the infinity of space. As I docked, the airlock hissed open, and I stepped onto foreign soil. They were waiting, a council of beings, their forms shifting between dimensions. They spoke in harmonious frequencies, their voices echoing through my mind. You are the last, they said. They knew of Earth, of its demise. They had witnessed countless civilizations rise and fall. They offered me a choice, to join their cosmic tapestry, to become a thread woven into eternity. Or to return, to be the harbinger of hope, the messenger of a lost world. I chose Earth. And so, here I am, writing this letter. I will drift through the cosmos, a spectral courier, seeking out life wherever it blooms. Perhaps one day, I'll find a new home, a planet where laughter echoes across valleys, where love transcends time. Until then, I remain the last escapee, a wanderer between stars. Remember Earth, dear reader. Remember us. With stardust and longing, the last escapee.